Welcome to another How-To with HASS. Today we're going to go over how to update the software within HASS2020. Start by going to Help, then click Download Latest Build. As you can see from this message box, the setup file should have been downloaded. You will have to close HASS to run the setup. If the setup file did not download, you will have to download the setup file from our website. Please see the video link in the description for how to do this. Once the setup file has finished downloading, run the setup process. Once the Windows installation process is complete, select your user to complete the installation process. Thanks for joining us today for another How-To with HASS. If you'd like more information about HASS and HRS systems, there's a link below in the description to our website. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and also leave a comment. Thank you.